Inspect the tire for damage to the beads. Any cuts, gouges, or scrapes can potentially cause an air leak. If there are any defects in the bead surfaces, do not use the tire. Replace it with a good one. Lubricate the tire beads with a manufacturer-approved lubricant. Align the rotation arrows on the tire with the rotation arrows on the wheel. Place the tire over the wheel and move the swing arm into position. Position the tire so the bead is above the rear extension and below the knob of the mount-demount head. Rotate the tire as much as possible by hand, keeping the bead in the drop center of the wheel. Finish the bead mounting by rotating the table. Mounting the second bead is the same procedure as the first. Position the tire so the bead is above the rear extension and below the knob of the mount-demount head. Rotate the tire as much as possible by hand, keeping both beads in the drop center of the wheel. Finish the bead mounting by rotating the table. Unclamp the wheel from the machine. Remove the rim protectors. Place the wheel back on the tabletop. Connect the air hose to the valve stem. Stand back during the bead seating. If there is a failure, injury could result. Inject air into the tire in short intervals to check that 40 psi is not exceeded. The tire beads should move outward and pop into position. After seating the beads, install the valve core and inflate to the manufacturer's recommended pressure.